My experience here in Milan has been something that I could have never even imagined would be happening to me. What I would have thought coming here, it's been completely different. I have met so many different people who I would never have the chance to meet ever, and meet not only Americans in my program, but also make a bunch of Italian friends, and that's been something that's really immersed me into the actual culture here itself and not just sticking with Americans. The experience here in the school has been, I'm a fashion design major back in the States, and I knew I wanted to go into styling itself, but I never really got the experience back in the States. I'm more focusing in actual design rather than styling. So it's something that was an interest of mine, and I wasn't able to really practice it back at my home school, but being able to do it, especially here in Milan, Italy, one of the fashion capitals of the world, is super cool. Fashion Week. Oh, it was just crazy to be walking down the street and you would see someone who probably like a 5'11" girl, and she was a model, and the fashion just in the streets itself. I got to go to one fashion show through MKS, but just walking down the streets of Milan and seeing people in these amazingly beautiful outfits was an unforgettable experience.